Let us do one more question from Maths Aptitude Test. This is very important question for the CBSE board exam also. Normally children may find difficulty to do it, but we can make it more simple. For that, you need to have only interest and some basic techniques. By spending maximum of 5 minutes, we can find the answer easily. It's a very important question from linear equations in two variables. So a motorboat takes 2 hours to travel a distance 9 km down the current, and it takes 6 hours to travel the same distance against the current. The speed of the boat in still water and that of the current respectively are. That means you are asked to find the speed of the boat and also the speed of the water. Normally it is given in the form of upstream and downstream. So what is meant by upstream? What is meant by upstream? Upstream means if the boat is traveling against the flow. So this is water, this is boat. In that case, speed will be decreased because we have to overcome the flow. So we can take x as the speed of the boat and y is the speed of water. So in the case of upstream, the speed would be x minus y because the speed would be decreased. But in the case of downstream, what is downstream? The boat is also flowing in the direction of water. In that case, speed will be increased. We can write it as x plus y. So before you start the problem, read the question thoroughly, understand and write down the data and see what is the question and go according to the question. So what is given, what you have to find out, how will you find out? These are the three areas we have to take care. So here x minus y, as you know, the speed of boat when it goes upstream. When it goes downstream, its speed will become x plus y. To remember this point, plus means the symbol of addition. When addition will come, when it is down, down, d for down. So add down. So remember this point. And which formula will you apply? That's a normal formula that we have studied earlier. Speed into time will give you the distance. This is necessary. Normally the answers may be obtained from a formula or from logic or from your previous knowledge. Here we have to use the formula speed into time. So when you write it as shortcut, it is s into t equal to distance. To remember this formula, it's a standard formula. It's very simple to remember. Yes, standard, the short form of standard is STD. Normally we write STD for the short form of standard. That itself will give you the answer. S into T will give you D. In the case of upstream, what is going to happen in upstream? Let us take one by one. Upstream, what will happen? The formula has no change. Speed into time is equal to D. The data may be changed. Values may be changed. Let us see where are the values. Which are the values for speed? This is upstream. So this is upstream. Let us see. This is upstream. The speed will be x minus y. So please note down s equal to x minus y. Very simple to follow the steps. X minus y into what is time here? What is the time here? It is given it takes 6 hours because as you know, upstream is difficult to go. The speed is less. Speed is less means time will be more. Time will be more. 6 but the distance is given as 9. How do you know it is 9? Yes, it is given the question. So to know this, it is very simple. Now you simplify this. How will you simplify this step? 6 into y will give you 6x. Symbol is minus, so put minus. 6 into y will give you 6y. Equal to has no change, equal to. 9 has no change, 9. Actually the formula is 6x minus 6y equal to 9. But if there is any common factor, cancel it out. So that will help you to do the problem more easily, nothing else. If you don't remember this one, nothing will be happened. You will get the answer, but it may take more time. So here it is easy to divide by 3 throughout. So whatever you do it everywhere. Then the expression may not be changed. So that would be 2x minus 2y, because 9 divided by 3 is 3, equation number 1. This is the first step. Each and every step is important. To get full mark, all the steps should be correct. So we got an equation that 2x minus 2y equal to 7. You know that since it is an equation of two variable, so two variable equation can be solved only with the help of two equations. So definitely we will get one more equation from another condition. Yes, that is also given. This is upstream case. So let us go with the downstream case also. What is the downstream case? So downstream case, see the downstream case. Let us say the heading downstream. What will happen in downstream? The formula has no change, but the values may be changed. As you know, here the distance is downstream, it is more, it is x plus y. So we put it as x plus y, okay, x plus y into multiplication has no change, time. Here the time would be less because speed became more, no? So it became 2. Time would be 2. Yes, so let us put it as 2. Equal to has no change. Then what is the distance? They have said that return to the same position. That means D is also the same distance, which is 9. Some questions the distance may be varied, but it will be given. So again we have to simplify. 2 into x is 2x plus then 2 into y is 2y equal to 9. We cannot cancel anything as there are no common factor. So this is the second equation. Now you can solve two equations by any of the method. Different methods are known: substitution method, elimination method, graphical method, cross multiplication method. Here elimination method will be much easier because the y term are equal with the different sign, so addition will be enough. So 2x minus 2y equal to 3. Then second equation, this is this one. Then for the second equation, 2x plus 2y is equal to 9. Then when you add these two equations, what is going to happen is the same term with a different sign will be cancelled out. So minus 2y plus 2y it will become 0. Cancellation means it will become 0. Here it is 2x and again 2x, that will make 4x. Equal to has no change. Here 9 and 3 will be added to make 12. So 4x is 12. So x would be 12 by 4, which is 3. So we got the value of x. Yes, that is very important. X is found to be 3. One answer is ready. And how do you get the second answer? Substitute the value of x in any one of the equation, either this equation or this equation. As the second equation has all symbol positive, there won't be any confusion. So 2 into 3 plus 2 into y is equal to 9. Then 6, now simplification, 6 plus 2y equal to 9. Then 2y would be 9 minus 6, which is 3. Therefore y would be 3 by 2, which is 1.5. Half of 3 is 1 and a half, or 1.5. So we got the value of x as 3 and y as 1.5. That means the speed of boat in still water is 3 and that of current is 1.5. See the options. Yes, that is there. The first option is the correct option. If there is a slight change, there may be different answers with almost close answers. So we have to be very vigilant to get the answer. So we have got the answer as 3 and 1.5. So with a simple technique, with a simple knowledge, we could get the answer. This way you will be able to get the answer of any questions from any chapter. Because maths is very simple. Maths can be made very, very easy. Only thing you need to do is take some interest and do it systematically. Then okay, bye.